Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I removed my baking soda or cornstarch nails. This is how you can remove them, and it's easy and it's quick. So I'm going to show you 2 steps that you can use. The first one is the hardest one, okay? This is the video that I did of my baking soda or baking powder nails. You can go and check it out. The iCard is up there, so you can click, okay? You can click when you're done watching this, okay? Yeah, you can click when you're done watching this, and then you can go and watch how you can do your cornstarch nails. So I decided I didn't want these nails anymore, and okay, not I didn't want them, but like I decided to cut them. So I had to cut and put on like a green nail polish. But with time, I didn't want that green nail polish as well and wanted to remove them, but it was hard, honey. Okay, so I'm going to show you 2 steps. Step number 1, drum roll please. Okay, so this step is very hard, guys. This is like your regular step that you know how you like do. Okay, how you do it, I don't know, but like, okay, yeah, how you do it. Okay, take your acetone, dip your finger or your nail into acetone. Okay, I didn't have like a container to use, so I just had to use that lead. If you use this one, make sure you throw it away because it'll be dirty, honey. This is hard, okay? The first step is so hard and it takes long, so you have to be patient, okay? You have to have patience for you to be able to do this, okay? I had to use a razor blade, okay? This, I'm not using like the sharpest side. I'm not using the sharper side. I'm using the other side that is not sharp. If you know these razor blades, you know the other side is not sharp and the other side is the one which is sharp. So I was just trying to help my nail out, honey. I was trying to help the acetone out because it wasn't working, okay? It wasn't working. So yeah, I kept on, okay, gross, okay. This is how it's looking. It's looking how it's looking. As you can see, that is how you have to deal with, like, that is what you have to deal with if you want to use acetone to remove your cornstarch nail. It'll be hard. And this also goes to people who use, what do you call it? Gel nail polish. Oh my gosh, gel nail polish, guys, is hard to remove. If you want to use acetone, acetone doesn't work, okay? It doesn't work. You have to file. You have to cut and file and put nail polish and cut and file and put nail polish till like the nails are grown out. If you have any way you can do them, but like that is what I always do. In fact, I put gel nail polish just twice, okay? And I said, I'm not going to do that to my nails again. Okay, my fingers are looking crusty or whatever. It's because of the acetone. Just leave it like that. Leave it like that. So yeah, I was just trying to help the nail out. This, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not tired. I don't know why I'm tired, but like I'm not tired of talking. This is like hard, okay? If you use acetone on you, it works, but like it takes time. So if you want, like if you have patience to do it, do it. Okay, just get your acetone or your nail polish remover and dip your nail, and yeah, keep on doing that till your nail is done. But like I don't have this patience, so I just did this on my, like this nail, because I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, this is okay. I had to show you a close-up so that you can see how I was struggling and how hard it still was after all this time in acetone. It didn't still like it. Well, oh, wow, okay, so finally it's off, finally. So now we just need to file this up and yeah, we'll be good to go. And the second step, guys, is the step you have to go for. It's so quick and so easy, and you have to use that if you have gel nails or if you use cornstarch or baking soda. So this is what I'm going to show you next, and this is what I used, or this is what I did to remove my nails. So second plan, drum roll please. Okay, cut your nails. Cut your nails just like you did on the other first trick or tip. Cut your nails, but now keep on cutting your nail, okay? Keep on cutting your nail. Don't worry, I'm using the scissors because this works, okay? The scissors works. The nail cutter obviously won't cut up to that point, but if you use the scissors, it will cut. So make sure you keep on cutting and cutting and cutting and cutting and cutting your nail. And then when you're done cutting, start to file. Okay, just keep on cutting. As you can see, it's just chipping off. So if you use the scissors, just do this, it'll chip off. You won't hurt yourself, guys, trust me. The scissors won't even hurt yourself. You just be doing it on the, okay, I was just using that razor blade to just remove the excess or whatever thingy that was left. I tried to lift it up, but I saw it wasn't lifting up, guys. If you use glue, or if you do, what you call it, excuse me, okay, if you use cornstarch, know that you won't be able to lift your nail up just like you do on stick-ons or whatever. So yeah, when you're done doing that, keep on filing and file and file and file. This is the easiest step, and if you keep on filing, the nail will just be like, it'll just chip off and everything will just go. Okay, I'll just fix my camera so you can see. Okay, excuse that yellow nail. I was just trying something out, so I just used that nail polish to see. As you can see, just a little bit left while I was filing. I didn't take time to file. It just, yeah, it's just a matter of minutes, honey. Just a matter of minutes. Now that I'm done with this, that is what I did on all my nails, and this was simple, quick, and easy. As you can see, I'm just showing you this chip that is left, but like, it's not much. It's not really much. Okay, this yellow nail is just crusty. It's because the nail polish was still wet, but like, yeah. I'm done now. This is what I did to all the nails. So yeah, just use your lotion, hand lotion or whatever that you use, and the nails are done. So guys, see you on my next video. Bye.